So I was putting a hole in here to 12.5 mil. I went, oh yeah, I'll put the hose through and then put a grommet. But it ended up being, well, look. So the threads basically just fit through with 12.5mm drill bit, and then using, you know, thread tape and some bloody, yeah, that's what I ended up with. The wall of the shed itself winding up being, I guess, a washer. But yeah, no leaks, nothing, and you know, being 30 meters long, I can get pretty far up the driveway with it. So I don't know, I did that, accidentally came out like that, and I thought, geez, it's not bad, it's tidy.